Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA TS5040 All-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup so that we can use it for the wireless printing and scanning. So this is a wireless printer and it supports the wireless print scan using Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct. So let's start with the unboxing. So just switch on the printer by pressing the power button and just wait for the printer to set up for the first time. Go to the display screen and you will see here it displays about the language. So we have to select the language and click OK and click agree on the terms and conditions. Now we have to install the ink cartridges. So these are the ink cartridges. These are the 5 ink cartridges we have and we are going to install them. For that we just have to open the top scanner lid, as you can see here, and the ink cartridge chamber will come to the middle here. Now we have to take the ink cartridges out of the packaging one by one. So here is the seal, you can see. So just remove it from here and just tear off this outer packaging. So here is the orange seal, so simply push it and it will open and it's ready for the installation. So do it for all 5 ink cartridges. Now the next step is to install the ink cartridges here. So you will see, just match the numbers or the color. So it says M, so M will go here. So just slide it and press it down, it will lock itself. So we have to do it for all. Next is BK and the next is Y. So place one by one here. And this one is PGBK. So these all 5 ink cartridges, they simply go here and just press it down. Once all lights are there, that means they are installed properly. Now close the lid by pressing it down. So we just have to load the A4 size sheet so that it can print the alignment page. To load the A4 size sheets, we can open the rear paper tray, which is here, and open this here. Place it like this. You can adjust the size as there is a size adjuster here. Just click OK on the display panel. So just have to go to the display panel and click OK. So it's printing the print head alignment page. So this is the paper output tray. Just check if the pattern is okay and then we have to confirm it on the main screen. So click OK by selecting here. Now we have to open the top scanner lid and place this page facing downwards on the left hand side corner, as you can see here, and close the lid and click OK for the alignment. So once the alignment is done, just click OK. Now go to the display panel and see if you want to do the wireless setting now. If you do want it, you can just click on the wireless LAN connection and it will show up the available networks. Or if you don't want it, just click do not now and click OK. On the next screen we will see that the main screen is here. It says copy, scan, print, also setting. So if you want to do Wi-Fi setup, you can just simply go to the setting and do the Wi-Fi setting, as you can see. And now I'll show you how to do the copy. To do the copy, we simply open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner. Close the lid and open the paper output tray, which is at the bottom, and go to the display panel again. On the display panel, select the copy and click OK on the control panel. Select as a standard copy. Now if you want one, just click OK, and here we get option. We can increase number up to 99 copies we can do from single output. So click OK. Go below and you can select color or black. So I'm going to do the color copy. Click OK. And once we are ready, so we just simply hit the green button which is here on the control panel, and it will start the copy. So here we can see it has done the color copy, which is perfectly nice, and overall print quality is really good, as we can see the both sheets here. So that's the way we can do the copy, and this is really compact printer, so it's very good to use in home or office for a small purpose. We can use the control panel very easily. You can adjust it according to the height you want, and this is the paper output tray which goes perfectly in, and this is the SD card slot which we can use to print the photos. Also you can use a USB wire for this printer to connect with any computer or laptop. The connection is here, so you just have to simply insert the cable here. So overall it's a really small and good printer. Thanks for watching.